Hello tubers. Today I'm doing an oil change on my car or truck, and I decided to show you a little trick I tried. So, how are you supposed to pour down that funnel? Well, cut yourself out a little funnel if you don't have one, like me. This was from one of my earlier oil cans, and I just cut it out, and it just makes a nice surface, or nice funnel, broader area for you to put oil down so you don't make a mess. And then I open up my oil and it's sealed. So I was like, how do I pour it without making a mess? So you've got your oil can, and what you do is you just get it about a third of the way through. Just punch a hole in there. And then, the hole punched in, make yourself a little small hole up on top there. And that should control your flow out of here. Watch this, I'm going to make a mess. Worked on my car. So far, not a drop spilt. Trying to figure out the level here. This little hole allows your can to breathe as you are pouring your oil. Therefore, it doesn't do the glug glug glug, shooting oil all over your engine. Doing an oil change here on a 2009 Tacoma. Using 5W30, and that looks like we need just a hair more, I think. Nope, we're good. I'll show you a little tool I used to get my oil filter off. This is something I bought a few years ago. It's a really neat little wrench. It tightens down as you unscrew it, and it tightens down on your oil can or oil filter. And gets it undone. You just fits on a wrench like that. I don't remember where I got it. I want to say it was AutoZone. But the oil filter that was on here is really on tight. It does damage it, so if you're the kind of person who recycles oil filters for any reason, it will damage it if it's on really tight. If it's not, it'll be fine, but as you can see, kind of crumpled the outside of the can here. The thing I like about this also is this filter is right down here, so it's really easy to get to, and it doesn't make a mess as you take it out. It doesn't have all kinds of oil dripping all over the place. And it's got a little catch right there, and that's what this is for. And I collected the oil that, there's a little drain down here at the bottom. Just collect the oil from the drain, from this little reservoir, and it just works really nice. Good, clean process. Anyway, thanks for watching my little tip here. Oil can, better pouring with the oil can. And a little funnel. If you don't have a funnel, or you're kind of hard pressed for money, make your own. Thanks for watching.